Mercedes-Benz 280 SL Pagoda is a timeless icon in automotive history. Introduced in the late 1960s, this car quickly became a symbol of elegance, precision engineering, and luxury. Known for its distinctive concave hardtop, which earned it the nickname Pagoda, the 280 SL combined sleek design with performance that was ahead of its time. Today, we witness the incredible process of restoring one of these classic cars to its original glory. A process that demands patience, skill, and an unwavering attention to detail. Every nut, bolt, and panel is carefully considered, ensuring that this piece of automotive history is preserved not only for collectors, but also for enthusiasts who appreciate the artistry behind a classic car. The restoration begins with a complete disassembly. This step is crucial as it allows experts to inspect every single component of the vehicle. Nothing is left to chance. Panels, engine parts, electrical components, interior elements, and suspension systems are all removed, catalogued, and carefully examined. During this stage, any worn-out or damaged parts are identified for restoration or replacement. The goal is not just to fix the car, but to bring it back as close as possible to its original factory condition. Each part that can be restored is meticulously cleaned, polished, and rebuilt, while any parts that are beyond repair are replaced with precision replicas, often sourced from specialized manufacturers who understand the importance of maintaining authenticity. Once the car is stripped down, attention turns to the body. The shell undergoes a thorough inspection to identify any rust, dents, or imperfections. Old paint is removed using chemical processes that reveal the bare metal beneath. This stage is essential because it ensures that the surface is perfectly smooth and ready for treatment. After stripping, the body receives a cataphoretic dip primer coating, also known as CDP, which offers exceptional corrosion protection. This process involves submerging the entire body in a special bath that coats it evenly with primer, protecting it from future rust and ensuring longevity. Once the primer is applied, body panels are smoothed, gaps are adjusted, and any minor imperfections are corrected. Only then does the vehicle move on to the painting stage. Painting the car is both an art and a science. The original color of the vehicle is meticulously matched to preserve authenticity. Multiple layers of paint are applied, each carefully cured to achieve a deep, flawless finish. Following the paint, a clear coat is added to give the car its glossy, showroom quality appearance. The result is a body that looks as if it just rolled off the factory floor decades ago. This stage is critical not only for aesthetics, but also for protecting the metal underneath from the elements and ensuring the car maintains its value over time. Meanwhile, the engine and drivetrain undergo an equally detailed restoration. The 2.8-liter inline-six engine, known as the M130, is carefully disassembled. Each component, from pistons to crankshafts to valves, is measured and restored to original specifications. Any worn-out parts are replaced with high-precision components, ensuring that the engine performs as it did when it was first manufactured. The transmission, driveshaft, and differential are similarly rebuilt. Bearings are replaced, seals are renewed, and all moving parts are polished and tested. This ensures that when the car is back on the road, it runs smoothly and reliably, delivering the same driving experience that made the 280 SL legendary. Electrical systems are also given meticulous attention. All wiring is inspected, and a completely new wire harness is installed if necessary. Every switch, gauge, and light is tested and restored to full functionality. This ensures that modern safety standards are met while preserving the original design and operation of the vehicle. Every detail is accounted for, from the proper functioning of the headlights and indicators to the operation of the dashboard instruments, guaranteeing that the car is both safe and authentic. The underbody of the vehicle receives equal care. Panels are restored, painted in their original color, and carefully sealed. This protects the car from rust and wear, ensuring that the structural integrity remains intact for years to come. Special attention is given to suspension components, brake lines, and fuel systems, all of which are either restored or replaced to maintain the original handling characteristics of the Pagoda. The interior is where luxury meets craftsmanship. Every detail of the cabin is restored according to factory specifications. Seats are reupholstered with high-quality leather that matches the original design. Carpets are replaced, dashboards are refinished, and wooden trims are carefully restored or replicated. The goal is to make the interior look, feel, and even smell like a brand new 280 SL, capturing the elegance and comfort that owners of these cars originally experienced. Attention to detail is paramount, with every stitch, seam, and surface carefully crafted to ensure authenticity and perfection. After thousands of hours of meticulous labor, the car is ready for final assembly. Every restored and replaced part is carefully reinstalled. Panels are aligned perfectly, bolts are torqued to precise specifications, and every system is checked multiple times. The restoration team ensures that nothing is overlooked. Once assembly is complete, the car undergoes extensive testing. The engine is started, systems are monitored, and test drives are conducted to ensure that the car performs flawlessly. Handling, braking, and overall drivability are evaluated, guaranteeing that the car not only looks perfect, but drives like it did decades ago. Driving the restored Pagoda is an experience in itself. The engine runs smoothly, producing a satisfying purr that echoes the car's performance heritage. The transmission shifts seamlessly, and the ride is both comfortable and precise, reflecting the engineering excellence that Mercedes-Benz was known for during that era. Every curve, every acceleration, every braking maneuver reminds drivers why the 280 SL has remained a coveted classic for generations. This restoration goes beyond aesthetics. It is a preservation of history, a celebration of craftsmanship, and a tribute to one of the most iconic cars ever produced. The attention to detail ensures that every aspect of the car, from the engine to the interior to the exterior finish, is as authentic and accurate as possible. The Mercedes-Benz 280 SL Pagoda restored through this process is not just a car. It is a piece of art, a symbol of luxury, and a testament to timeless engineering. Collectors and enthusiasts alike recognize the importance of such restorations. Maintaining authenticity, following original specifications, and employing skilled craftsmanship are all essential to preserving the legacy of the 280 SL. Each restored Pagoda carries a story of dedication, skill, and passion. It is a car that represents more than just transportation. It is a historical artifact, a symbol of an era, and a joy to own and drive. With its production spanning from 1968 to 1971, the 280 SL Pagoda features a 2.8-liter inline-six engine capable of producing approximately 170 horsepower. Buyers could choose between a 4-speed manual or automatic transmission, and the car could reach a top speed of around 200 kilometers per hour. Its innovative design, including the concave hardtop, provided both style and safety, setting it apart from other sports cars of its time. Every restored Pagoda remains faithful to these specifications, ensuring that the driving experience is true to the original vision of Mercedes-Benz engineers. Restoring a classic car like the 280 SL Pagoda is no easy task. It requires thousands of hours of labor, technical expertise, and an unwavering commitment to authenticity. Every step of the process, from disassembly to final assembly, is executed with precision. This level of care ensures that the restored vehicle is not only visually stunning, but also mechanically sound, delivering a driving experience that mirrors the car's original performance. Ultimately, the restored Pagoda is more than just a car. It is a bridge between past and present, a reminder of the innovation and elegance of the 1960s, and a testament to the dedication of those who work tirelessly to preserve automotive history. It allows enthusiasts to experience the craftsmanship, performance, and luxury of a bygone era, while enjoying the reliability and safety of a fully restored classic. Each restored Mercedes-Benz 280 SL Pagoda is unique, carrying the mark of those who painstakingly returned it to life. From the gleaming paint to the perfectly restored interior, from the meticulously rebuilt engine to the precision-aligned body panels, every element reflects a dedication to excellence. This restoration ensures that the car continues to inspire admiration, appreciation, and joy, just as it did when it first captivated the automotive world decades ago. In the end, the Mercedes-Benz 280 SL Pagoda stands not only as a symbol of automotive history, but also as a testament to human skill and passion. Restoring such a car preserves a legacy, allowing future generations to experience the beauty, precision, and innovation that defined this iconic model. Through careful restoration, this classic car once again takes its rightful place as a masterpiece of design, engineering, and artistry, ready to be admired, driven, and cherished for many years to come.